Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Yeah, very good. Guten Tag. Okay. So we are learning Deutsch. हम लोग क्या लर्न कर रहे हैं? We are going to learn Deutsch. Now what is Deutsch? अभी तक तो German. Everyone used to say, "Man, we are learning German. We want to learn German. We are learning Deutsch." Basically, you have to understand that Germany, we call it Germany, but people staying in Germany do not call it Germany. They call it Deutschland. They call it Deutschland. So whenever you are whoever is doing German, and whenever you are planning to go back, you say, "I am going to Deutschland." Deutschland. And the language that we are learning, the Sprache that we are learning is Deutsch. Deutsch is a Sprache. Sprache is a language. So we are learning Deutsch, nicht German. Nicht German. Okay, German में Indians बोलते हैं, अपन सब बोलते हैं दुनिया के लिए, but not German. Okay. So I'll basically tell you what is Deutschland. Deutschland is in Europa. Deutschland is in Europa, nicht Europe. Europa. It is in Europe. It is a beautiful city. And after the Second World War, Deutschland was divided into two areas: East Germany, West Germany. What happened? They were divided by the Berlin Wall. You must have heard about Berlin. Berlin is as of now, is the capital of Deutschland. So Berlin is the capital of Deutschland. So it was divided by a wall. Okay. Now, because of this wall, people from East Germany could not go to West Germany, and West Germany did not want to go to East Germany. Why? Because the West Germany was held by the other countries, and they had developed a lot. They had developed, being it industry, education, flora and fauna, culture, heritage, architecture, food, everything. West Germany developed. So no one wanted to go from West to East, but people wanted to come from East to West. Now imagine if in India we are divided, there is a wall between us. So if some of your relatives may be staying in the western part of India, some may be staying somewhere else, and you can't visit them. Even to visit them, they needed documents, they needed a passport, and all from East to West Germany. There were people who wanted to cross over the wall, jump over the wall, and go to West. So they were shot dead. Okay, they're not strict out. They were shot dead. So that is why, and after many political issues, in 90s, this German wall was broken. The Berlin Wall was broken, and from then, Eastern and Western Germany was united, and Berlin became the capital of Deutschland. Okay. Now, what happened? Even though today, when you go to Germany, you will find that the western part of Germany is really developed. बहुत अच्छे से, and the eastern part has still maintained their culture, their heritage, their architecture. So there's a vast difference between them. This is basically about Deutschland. We are not here to talk about Hitler or anyone, because we are not interested in politics or any war or anything. We are here to learn a language. So where are we? We are learning Deutschland, and